Good morning, everyone. Today you're going to study about symptoms and illnesses. Illnesses are medical problems. So you go to the doctor asks you, "How are you?" You answer, "Not so good." And you tell the doctor about your symptoms. For example, you say, "Doctor, I have a cough. I have a sore throat. I have a runny nose." What does the doctor say? So you tell the doctor about your symptoms: cough, sore throat, runny nose. The doctor says, "I think you have a cold." Cold, a cold. Cold is an illness. It's a medical problem. Number 2. So you tell the doctor your symptoms. You say, "I have a headache. I have a fever." What does the doctor say? What is your illness? The doctor says, "I think you have the flu." The flu. The flu is an illness. If you have the flu, you have a headache and you have a fever. Okay, number 3. You tell the doctor, "I have nausea. I have diarrhea." What is your illness? The doctor says, "I think you have the stomach flu." The stomach flu. This is your illness. So, symptoms: nausea, diarrhea. Illness: the stomach flu. Next, you tell your doctor, "My eyes hurt. I have a runny nose." What is your illness? What is your problem? What does the doctor say? The doctor says, "I think you have allergies." Allergies. Next illness. So you tell the doctor your symptoms. You tell the doctor what's wrong with you. You say, "I have an earache. I have a fever." What's your illness? The doctor says, "You have an ear infection." Ear infection. If you have an earache, if you have a fever, you have an ear infection. This is your illness. Next, you talk to the doctor. You say, "Doctor, my ankle hurts. I have a swollen ankle. I have a swollen ankle. My ankle hurts." The doctor says, "You have a broken ankle." A broken ankle. And last one. You talk to the doctor about your symptoms. You say, "I have a stomachache. I have a rash." The doctor says, You have food allergies. Food allergies. Okay, so please at home study the vocabulary about your symptoms and the illnesses. Listen to the video again and again and repeat. Thank you, everyone.